Hey everyone, we start with the 1 hour chart. Wanna just give an the update for analysis. If you refer to my last video, when the price was here, I mentioned that if we get any buy setup within this range, we take it. And now, as we can see, we don't know whether this is the start of the up move or not. Based on 1 hour chart, if you wanna buy, right now we cannot buy. I prefer the price a bit move a bit higher. If you give me any flag, then I will look for buy. Why? Because from what we have here, if the price start to move similar to what we have continue, then mostly we get one move down before we get the buy. That's why I wanna I give this update. If anyone wants to look for buy, they need to be aware of this one. Is we getting the correction for one move down? Okay, unless the price continue from here, and if continue from here, the only way we can buy if sharply continue and give a flag. Rather than that, we don't have any buy setup. And if we move to 15-minute chart, okay, if you refer back, I mean, when I in my last video, the price was somewhere around here. If anyone bought from this flag, they have plenty of time, a lot of time to get out of the trade, because we see it's not moving anywhere right now. Okay, and in this case, we don't have any buy setup right now. We want to see, because this one, if continue, still we can expect one move down unless this one continue. And if this one continue, we need to get the confirmation as explained based on a 1 hour chart before we take the trade. Okay, anyway, in this case I move to 4 hour chart. Okay, based on 4 hour chart, now we are looking into this one, because we're expecting this a correction relative to this for the one move down before we get up move. Okay, and now we want to see, if we put this one to each other, can we get the flat for one move up? And if we're looking for this move, whether the price start from here, or we can have a one more correction here for one move down before we get up move, right? But now, do we have any trade setup based on 1 hour chart? We don't have any trade setup unless this one continue and give us a buy setup, because right now we're looking at this, the possibility for the one move down. Okay, that's why we need to see what we will get from here. If there is a continuation with the flag, we buy. Rather than that, we don't jump into the trade. Okay, anyway, even the price sharply continue from here and move up without giving us a buy setup, then I don't think we should trade it. Okay, anyway, what I want to say is that any trade, what we analyze here, we want to get the trade setup before we jump into the trade. Without that, we are not going to buy, just hope it continue. All right, but that's why whatever I give here is, we analyze, we want to get the trade set up. And for me, if this one sharply continue and go and break this up, I'm not going to buy it unless I get the confirmation. Okay, anyway, we are more interested in the buy, but the only thing is we need to get the buy set up. And now we're looking, maybe this one can give a one move down, because if this one price drop, at least come to this level, any buy setup from there, I will jump into the trade. Okay, what I'm meaning, I'm telling is not if the price drop, I will buy. Okay, sorry, if the price drop, I will come to this level, I will buy. If the price drop and come to this low, any buy setup from there, I will take it. How deep? Because I need to see how deep this one can go before I take the buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart and see what we will get from here. If I see any changes, any trade setup, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.